Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Samsung Galaxy A73. To do this, you will need to open the Google Play Store, look for the app called Notify Buddy, select it and install it. After that process is finished, you'll be able to open the app, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, and it's optional to disable it. I'm gonna leave it enabled like that. And from here we can start using the app. There's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can do the same thing but with a System apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings you can customize your LED lamp, like a size, shape, placement on the screen. Now click on the test button to see the LED lamp. It's right here in the top left corner. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.